Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the Upstream O2 sensor on a 2005 Honda Civic. You're going to find it located at the front of the vehicle, just above the cab. You're going to need a 7/8 O2 sensor socket. This is what it looks like, and it has this slit down the center, so you can fit the wire of the O2 sensor down the slot right here. So you'll start by sliding in the socket over the O2 sensor, like this. You'll fit a 3/8 ratchet into the socket. You'll break it loose. Once loose, you can take it off by hand. You're going to follow the sensor to the connector. It's going to be this one right here. You're going to have two clips. The one over here to disconnect from the harness of the O2 sensor, and then the O2 sensor harness side is going to be connected to the bracket right here, and that will have its own clip as well. Just like that. And now the clip on this side, you're going to push down, pull the O2 sensor out. We're going to be replacing it with a Denso O2 sensor. This is the part number. This is the part number for the O2 sensor. Now I would recommend you use a Denso or NGK O2 sensor, not any other brand. Other brands will give you skewed readings or may not give the right readings, and you may end up with a similar situation or a completely set of different new problems. So going with a quality O2 sensor is pretty important. Now the little protective cap right here, when you remove it, there's going to be some anti-seize underneath it. To install the O2 sensor, start threading it in before you plug anything in. So you're going to thread this in like this till the bottom's out. We'll tighten it down. And now the connecting it around over here. And you can start by plugging it into the connector over here. And then sliding it into the holder down here. And that's all it takes. So if you liked the video, if you learned something, or if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel. Click right here in the top left corner for more videos on this 2005 Honda Civic. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.